Welcome. Today, we're going to show you how to add text to your status on Messenger. Let's walk through the steps together. 1. Begin by opening Messenger on your device to access your conversations and stories. 2. Tap the Stories tab located at the bottom right corner of the screen to proceed. 3. Select Add to Story to start creating your status update, which will bring up the editing tools for your story. 4. To craft a text status, tap the text icon positioned in the top right corner of the screen. 5. Type in your desired text, and feel free to personalize it further by adjusting the font, color, and background to match your style. 6. Once you've finalized your text status and are happy with how it looks, tap Share Now at the bottom right to share it on your Messenger story. By following these steps, you can easily create engaging text statuses on Messenger, adding your personal touch to your stories. Thank you for joining us in this tutorial on enhancing your Messenger status with text. Stay tuned for more social media tips and tricks.